The 2026 MG U9 pickup truck starts at around $35,000 in the US market for the base model, though expect higher trims to push closer to the mid-40s or more depending on options and final dealer pricing. MG has been building momentum here with affordable, feature-packed vehicles, and the U9 marks their serious entry into the pickup segment. It's a bold move for a brand better known for crossovers and sedans, but this truck feels like they've put real thought into competing against established midsize players like the Ford Ranger, Toyota Tacoma, and Chevy Colorado. From the outside, the U9 has a commanding presence. It's a big midsize, about 5,500 millimeters long, roughly 2,000 millimeter wide, with a muscular stance, aggressive front grille dominated by that sharp MG logo, full LED lighting up front including those distinctive daytime running lights, and chunky wheel arches that give it a tough, ready-for-anything look. The dark paint in our shots makes the blacked-out accents and those large alloy wheels pop, and it rolls on Continental tires that look capable on and off the pavement. It's not trying to be subtle. It wants to stand out in the parking lot or on a job site. Inside, this is where the U9 really surprises. The cabin feels more premium than you'd expect at this price point. You've got dual large screens, one for the instrument cluster, and a big central touchscreen that handles infotainment, navigation, and vehicle settings. Materials are a step up with soft touch surfaces on the dash and doors, quilted leatherette seats that are comfortable for long hauls, and even some blue stitching for a bit of flair. The front seats offer good support, and the rear bench is spacious enough for adults on shorter trips, with decent legroom thanks to that long wheelbase. Storage is plentiful, big door pockets, a deep center console, and easy access to the bed via that innovative pass-through option on higher trims. It's quiet on the highway too, with less diesel clatter than some competitors. On the road, the driving experience is pretty composed for a truck this size. Power comes from a 2.5-liter turbo diesel 4-cylinder making around 215 horsepower and a healthy 520 Nm of torque, plenty for towing up to 3,500 kilo or hauling gear. It's paired with an 8-speed automatic that shifts smoothly, and the 4-wheel drive system with locking diffs handles off-road duties confidently without drama. Ride quality benefits from the multi-link rear suspension, which keeps things settled over bumps better than some leaf spring setups. Steering is direct enough, though it feels a bit heavier at low speeds, which is typical for these trucks. Fuel economy hovers in the low 20s mpg combined, solid for a diesel workhorse. Performance-wise, it's strong in the low end where you need it for merging or climbing grades loaded up. It won't win drag races, but it pulls steadily and feels planted. Off-road, the ground clearance, approach angles, and selectable modes make it capable without feeling like a dedicated trail rig. Tech is a highlight. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and a solid sound system. Higher trims add extras like a 360-degree camera and advanced driver aids. Safety features are comprehensive. Expect multiple airbags, ABS, stability control, adaptive cruise, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. MG has packed in what buyers expect these days, and early feedback suggests it performs well in real-world use. For everyday practicality, this thing delivers. The bed is generous with good tie-down points, a standard liner, and that clever mid-gate feature on some models lets you extend cargo space right into the cab if needed. Payload is around 800–900 kilo depending on trim, which is competitive, and the overall package works great for weekend haulers, small contractors, or families who want truck utility without going full size. There are a few minor quirks. Some might find the diesel engine a touch noisier at idle than gas rivals, and the sheer size could make tight parking a bit of a chore compared to smaller midsizers. But honestly, these are small trade-offs for what you get. Overall, the 2026 MG U9 stands out in the midsize pickup segment because it brings serious value. Strong diesel performance, a surprisingly upscale interior, modern tech and safety, and genuine capability, all wrapped in a package that's priced aggressively to undercut some of the big-name competition. It's best for buyers who want a capable, feature-loaded truck without paying premium brand premiums, whether you're towing a trailer, loading up for the job, or just need something versatile for daily life. If you're shopping midsize pickups right now and open to something fresh from a brand that's punching above its weight, the MG U9 is definitely worth a test drive. It might just change how you think about the category.